Hey guys, well, as you can see, the truck is in the shop again, for the same thing, again. So the air started going out again, just like it did when we were down in Houston. We were in Houston when it went out. And we spent all day long at Kenworth, and they just said that the Freon was low. And they recharged it and sent us on our way. Well, apparently the condenser is out. We need a new one. It's got a leak. So here we are at Oak Grove in Kansas City.
You don't even know?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, and so we're at Oak Grove on the 70 at the Petro. So we've been here for about, I don't know, 2 hours already. They did the DOT inspection, and I guess we're just waiting on the approval to get the work done on the AC. So who knows, probably be here all night. But it's not so bad. You get a hotel room. So we're delivering a load. It's not due for like 2 days. It's only about 600 miles, so we got time. So yeah, I guess there's worse places I could be. At least it's a really nice truck stop. We need to get some laundry done, go eat. Got to be here all night. There's hotels nearby. So they got a really nice shop here. But, you know, at least with the company that I'm with, I get a guaranteed pay. So it doesn't matter if the truck breaks down or I get stuck at a dock at a receiving for, you know, 10 hours. I get my guaranteed pay. Not like a lot of people, you know, they're by the mile. So, you know, if they're not driving, they're not making any money. So, you know, and that's really something that needs to be addressed too in this this industry. You know, it's things like the truck breaking down, and you know, the receivers, and they take so long, and shippers too. You know, it really puts a crunch on people's, you know, their livelihood. You know, your truck breaks down and you don't get paid. You know, it's like, that sucks. You know, that's why I made sure this time, if I was going to be back out on the road, that I was with a company where I get my guaranteed pay, so that I know that I'm always making a paycheck, and, you know, make sure that I can pay my bills and take care of my family and everything. And yeah, it's a real problem that you know, I hope that, you know, it gets addressed, and, you know, somehow gets fixed, you know, before, you know. Approval. We're gonna get the press fixed. We gotta pull out and pull into another bay. I'm so excited. I like it when it's cold. So, we'll do that. So we've been sitting here for a few hours waiting on the truck to get fixed, thinking, oh, you know, no big deal, the AC went out, you know, we got a day to get it fixed and a way to get to our drop. We just get a message from dispatch saying, oh, now you have to be there at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Great. It's like 6 o'clock, gonna lose an hour to get there. And it's like 600 miles, so that's like a full shift. And they're like, oh, well, it looks like you have enough time to get there, but we're still in the shop. So I don't know, I can't wait to go get my own truck and I don't have to listen to a dispatcher. That will be a great day. 5-axle them in so we get paid.
In this hazmat load, how many bills were there?
Oh, there's like, I don't know, at least 50. At least.
They have to be individually taken pictures of and scanned in.
Yep. Take a picture, and then I have to do trim on it.
Yeah, I like the trim. Yeah.
For every single page.
Time consuming, huh?
Very time consuming. It takes almost as long to do this as it does to figure out the placards.
Guess if we want to get paid, we got to do it.
Yeah.
And this load was going to Cincinnati.
Yeah. Yeah, it's the one that we had that we got told last minute that it had to be delivered 24 hours earlier than what we had thought. So, and then, you know, they tell us to get there 24 hours earlier, so we drive all night and we show up about 45 minutes late, which, you know, wasn't that big a deal considering we got out for the shop so late. And they're like, well, we don't have an appointment for you. We don't have a trailer for you. We weren't expecting you until tomorrow morning. It's like, really? You know, it's dispatch trying to run us harder, get us there. So we ended up waiting like 3-4 hours just so that they could unload a trailer so we could get it empty. Ridiculous.
And somebody drove all the way until 3 a.m.
Yes, I drove until 3 a.m.
Look at you, super trucker.
I know, right? It wrecked my whole day though. I slept all day until like 6 o'clock tonight.
So now we're over in
North Carolina.
North Carolina.
Yeah, pick up
And then we're going to Virginia.
Virginia. Yeah. But that we don't have to be there till Monday.
Yeah.
Hopefully it stays the same.
Yeah.
So
We'll
maybe we can
probably change it at the last minute saying, get there as soon as you can.
Yeah, hopefully so we can take showers.
Yeah.
Really need a shower.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you know, it sucks too. You know, I'm on here on the 40. It's like, it's the most traveled highway in the freaking country, and it has the least amount of truck stops and the least amount of parking.
Yep. Well, North Carolina does.
Well, North Carolina does, yeah. For the amount of traffic through here, that it's ridiculous.
Yeah. We ended up at a rest stop.
Yeah.
Truck stops are full.
Yeah. That's one of the big improvements that they need to make to the industry is more parking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good times.
Very good.
So on that note,
Take more pictures.